Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern King County in northeastern Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 2:30 p.m. Gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Chicago, Elgin, Waukegan, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Glenview, Buffalo Grove, Bartlett, Crystal Lake, Streamwood, Hanover Park, Carpentersville, Wheeling, and Park Ridge. Including the following interstates: Interstate 90 between mile markers 46 and 77. Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 40. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 4. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 40. This includes Oakton Community College, Schaumburg Boomers Baseball, Chino Lakes State Park, College of Lake County, Elgin Community College, Great Lakes Naval Training Center, Harvard College, Lake County, Illinois Fairgrounds, Lake Forest College, McHenry County College, McHenry County Fairgrounds, Moraine Hills State Park, Northwestern University, Ravinia Music Festival, and Six Flags Great America. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National